Nyquist rate. When the sampling rate is exactly equal to the 2 times of the highest frequency component of the signal, then that is called as Nyquist rate sampling. Okay, we know that sampling frequency can be strictly greater than 2 FM, or it can be equal to 2 FM, or it can be less than 2 FM. Okay, the middle condition, when the sampling frequency is strictly equal to 2 FM, then that rate is called Nyquist rate. That kind of sampling rate is called Nyquist rate. You know that what is sampling? Sampling means number of samples per second. What is sampling rate? Sampling rate means number of samples per second. If number of samples is exactly twice the maximum frequency of the signal, then that sampling rate is called Nyquist rate. Okay, so but to avoid aliasing, definitely sampling rate must be always greater than the Nyquist rate. If it is less than Nyquist rate, definitely aliasing will be there. Okay, so Nyquist rate means taking samples exactly equal to twice the maximum frequency of the signal. Or sometime to avoid aliasing, we have to take the sampling rate much greater than Nyquist rate. That time they may mention like this. For example, if sampling is twice the Nyquist rate, okay, Fs is equal to twice the Nyquist rate. That means what? That is 2 Fn. That is 2 FM. That means 4 FM. Okay, so we are taking 4 FM samples per second. Okay, that is a concept. Twice the Nyquist rate, or 3 times of Nyquist rate, or 10 times of Nyquist rate, like that. It may be given in the problem. Okay, so now we will solve one or two problem based on this. Find Nyquist rate of signal x of t is equal to 200 pi t minus cos 100 pi t. Okay, so this signal is having two terms. Okay, what is the, sorry, here, cos. Okay, again, what is the first one? The omega m1 is equal to 200 pi, omega m2 is equal to 100 pi. From this, what is fm1? Fm1 is simply 100 hertz. fm2 is simply 50 hertz. Okay, so in these two component, first component is having higher frequency. We always have to take highest frequency because we use the term FM. That means what? Maximum frequency. Okay, maximum frequency present the signal. Maximum frequency present in the signal. Okay, out of this, the first component is highest frequency. Then what is the Nyquist rate? Nyquist rate Fs is equal to 2 FM. In this is 2 FM1 first component. So first question. Find Nyquist rate of x of t is equal to sine 200 pi t plus 3 sine square 120 pi t. Okay, given x of t is equal to sine 200 pi t plus 3 sine square 120 pi t. Okay, again, if you observe the second signal, it is having square operation. We know that whenever square operation is there, twice the frequency content we can get. Okay, see how can we represent sine square theta? That is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So sine 200 pi t 3. This we can write like 1 minus cos 240 pi t divided by 2. Okay, again, anyway, from the second component, we'll be getting some extra constant. Okay, that will not affect our operation because that will have DC frequency, zero frequency. So you concentrate on these. Okay, out of 200 and 240, 240 is the highest. Okay, so FM1 is equal to 100, FM2 is equal to 120. So what is an Nyquist rate here? That is 2 FM2, that is 240 hertz is the answer. Okay. Thank you.